Hey friends, welcome to this bonus video. Have you ever wanted to display the latest refresh time or the current timestamp in Power BI in your reports? So if so, I have here a little gift for you. So there is an M code, which is this one in here, which you can use inside your models to show the latest refresh, as well as the specific time regarding different kinds of time zones your end consumer might be in. So I also provide this M code in a resource section, so you can copy it. You don't have to write it yourself, but all you do then is simply copy it from here, and then you go to your specific report and you create a new query. So if you go to get data and choose a blank query, you can open then the Power Query editor, and in here you just go to the advanced editor and just remove everything you have inside. It works actually the same way as you had in when you created the dates table. Then you paste it inside and you see that the formula itself is valid. There are no syntax errors. So far so good. You can go through this code if you want. You don't have to, but there are a few M functions like datetime.addZone and fixed local now and so on, which actually generate exactly the things we need. So if you click on done, you have created the query and you see 4 columns, which is the latest refresh, the date, the time, as well as the local time zone in here. And now I can name this simply my date info TBL. Of course, feel free to name this whatever you want. I press enter, and then this data is available for me. And I can simply go to close and apply, and then I can go inside my report, and then I also have the option to add this to my different kinds of report pages. So for instance, I can take a look at my dates table or dates info table in here, and then I can choose, for instance, a card visual like this one. And here in this card, I simply then display the local time zone or the latest refresh or the time or the date. So if I click on latest refresh, for instance, I can tick this option and then I will see exactly the date in here. So of course, depending on my local settings here. But let's see, it would be 1 p.m., 7 minutes gone. Let me just maybe make this a little bit smaller here. And I can place this then, for instance, at the bottom or somewhere else, right? Just display it in a report and you show exactly that. And then whenever you update your report, so let's actually do this. Let's go to, in this case, refresh button in here. And you'll see that then also in this case, the time will change. So whenever your tables in the background will update, then this, of course, will also update. So let's do that. Click on refresh here and let's just see what happens. And then there should actually be a different kind of date in here. And just a second, and there you can see that it has now refreshed as well. So that's it actually. This is an additional little M code you can use in your reports to show additional information regarding the time, the specific last refresh time, or also the local time zone, which is often also very important and interesting for a lot of people. Okay? So that's it. So hopefully that was helpful, a little bonus, and thanks a lot for watching. In case you haven't done so far, please give the course a review after having finished it. It means a lot to me, and otherwise, take care and hopefully see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.